We'll guide you through how to log in to your ChatGPT account effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website by typing chatopenai.com in the address bar and pressing enter. You'll arrive at the homepage where you'll see a login button in the top right corner. Click on that button and you'll be taken to the login page here. You need to enter your email address and password that are associated with your ChatGPT account. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your registered email or mobile number to ensure it's really you. Enter the code and click Steka file. Now you should be successfully logged into your ChatGPT account and can start using the platform. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. On the login page, there's a forgot password link just below the password field. Click that and follow the instructions to reset your password through your email. It's crucial to ensure your password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. And there you have it, a simple and quick way to log in to ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.